a beautiful balloon arch right at the entrance. A really nice way to greet your guest of honor as they enter from outside. The first thing that we notice when we enter the dining room, the paper rosettes made with everyday paper and hanging off the bulkhead. On one side of this table, the corner, we have a bunch of flowers made also with everyday paper. And on the other side and opposite to that, at the corner, we also have the same thing going on. And then for some added touch, white paper roses, and attached it to the drapery here on one drape, on one panel here, and then on the other side we did the same. And this is what we have so far. And then on top of this little wicker dresser, we have a nice origami flower, which is what I'm going to show you how to make today. I just love this flower. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we make our lovely origami flower. So what you'll need are hot glue or some kind of a glue. Probably hot glue is better because it sticks so much better. Hot glue, your scissors, paper, and square template of some kind. It has to be exactly square. So I have a 5.5 by 5.5. Don't ask me how I got 5.5 by 5.5. I just got 5.5 by 5.5. Okay, and so you're just gonna use a template to make a perfect square. So I've done that. I'm using lined paper today because it's just softer, easier to use and manipulate. So I'm just going to cut it out really quick. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a triangle. So we're going to, that's bottom corner to the top corner. And we're going to make a fold. And you see what happens? I didn't cut it very well, but it's not too bad. I didn't cut it right on the lines. Then you're going to take, see the crease there, we're going to open it up, and we want that crease in the center, like that. So we're going to open it up, and that crease is going to become in the center, and it's going to resemble a kite. And we do the same on the other side. We want that crease right here to be in the center. It's going to resemble a kite, so this is what we do. So we get this. And then we're going to take this top portion of our kite, so to speak, and we're going to fold it down so that it is, there's a fold that aligns with the top of this right here. So just like that. And again, we'll do it to the next side. Just going to fold them so that they're right smack dab side by side, like that. We get this. And then we're going to take this outer edge and we're going to bring it inside, and we're going to fold it right along the crease where we already have that crease. We're going to fold it so that this edge aligns with this edge. And we do again the same for this one. So bringing it inwards so that both edges align. And then that's it. And then we're going to take this and we're going to put it here. And my hot glue is not plugged in. I'm going to hot glue here. And so we're going to put these together now. So we've got about 4 together already. And this is what it looks like so far. And remember, this is only from regular lined paper. And the reason why I used lined paper was because it's easier to fold, quicker, softer, and it's better for the sake of the tutorial. So this is why I use the lined paper. And so we're going to just finish putting them all together. So we're just going to place the glue along the line, along the edges, I should say. And then place your other little cone-like right along the glue. Just stick it down like this. And just squeeze them together for a couple of seconds, a few seconds anyway. I always count to 10. Or so. And add glue again on the other side. And place your cone, squeeze for a few seconds. This is the thing, this is nice and soft. If you can get paper like this that's soft and it's decorative or something you really like, yeah, because it really does help when the paper is soft. I use decorative paper. It's beautiful, but it's harder to fold. It takes a lot longer. And I'm going to add the last one. So you can use 5, you know, uneven numbers are best. It gives it a nicer look. Even numbers are a bit boring. And then you're going to have this, right? So then we're just going to add them together. We're just going to add the glue over on this side. Like that. So we can combine all of them. Like I said, the paper is very soft, so you have to be careful. It's not like the harder papers that you can kind of be a little bit more rough. And so for this one, I think I use 7. But you can use whatever odd numbers you want. And then this is what you get. And so you see the little formation inside. It looks very cute, doesn't it? Yeah, I like that. So how you do it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I have 7. And then you could color it and add your, you can use the center to add your stem.